Good afternoon. Welcome back to PWT Rely News with your host, Mosey Along. We're a little bit off of schedule today. Had an emergency with a wagon, needed to take it down to the people, my mechanic, and things just sort of got out of hand. So we're doing it now. We're introducing a new program called In Case of Emergency. And today's program concerns itself with the global market panic and everything that happened yesterday. But it's still happening now, so we might as well get right into it, partners. Let's go. On June 23rd, 2026, emergency financial alert you must hear about. And what happened was that the global market lost a lot of points overseas, starting in Asia. Overnight, the world's financial markets experienced a sudden and dramatic 10% plunge, triggered by a massive sell-off in the artificial intelligence sector. What began as a routine correction in Asia quickly escalated into a global panic, spreading across Europe and hitting Wall Street the moment the opening bell rang. Wham, bam! So what happened? Each item. AI sector overheated. Investors have been warning for months that AI valuations were rising too fast. Regulatory pressure. Governments worldwide are signaling tighter overspread. I'm sorry, I'm lost my place. We're going to need to start over. Just bear with me. Still recovering from this morning's problem. In case of an emergency, the markets plunged 10%. This is PWT Rely News with an emergency financial update you need to hear before y'all start your day. Overnight, the world's financial markets experienced a sudden and dramatic 10% plunge triggered by a massive sell-off in the artificial intelligence sector. What began as a routine correction in Asia quickly escalated into a global panic, spreading across Europe and hitting Wall Street the moment the opening bell rang. So what happened? AI sector overheated. Investors have been warning for months that AI valuations were rising too fast. Regulatory pressure. Governments worldwide are signaling a tighter oversight. Slowing growth signals. Early indicators show AI adoption may be leveling off. When these three forces collided, investors reacted with fear, not patience. The result was a rapid, synchronized sell-off that wiped out billions in market value in a matter of hours. AI-linked companies, from chip makers to software developers, saw losses ranging from 12 to 25%. That shock then spread to banks, tech giants, and even consumer sectors. When AI sneezes, the rest of the world catches a cold. Financial regulators in the US, Europe, and Asia are urging calm. Central banks are monitoring liquidity. Analysts are split. Some say this is a healthy reset of years of AI help, while others warn it can express deeper weaknesses in the global economy. This is what you need to watch for today, partners. Market stabilization, whether central banks intervene. Corporate statements, what major AI firms say in the next 24 hours. Investor behavior, whether selling slows or accelerates. If markets continue failing today, this can shift from a panic to a full-scale financial crisis. For now, stay steady, stay informed, and remember, fear moves faster than facts. This is PWT Rely News. More updates as they come in. And remember, when your wagon breaks down, you ought to fix it as soon as possible, no matter what the cost, because we all know that without them wheels, you ain't going anywhere fast. Have a good hump day, folks.